Hey, my name is Nick Fry. I'm a notary signing agent here in Southern California, San Diego, actually. Just wanted to share my experience of how the loan signing system changed my life. Actually, it changed my family's life. I have 4 people in my family that have gone through the loan signing system. 2 of my uncles, my aunt, and my little brother are all LSS certified, and it's just been a family thing. I'm so grateful for the program, which I took back in 2020. I just followed it to a T. While I was waiting for my commission to come in the mail, I signed up for as many signing services as I could and just decided to get some business cards printed up and map out all the areas of the loan officers and escrow officers in my area title companies. Man, I can't believe that first day when I got my test results for the exam in the mail. I took a victory lap around my neighborhood. I was so excited to get into the LSS family because I've seen just the dramatic changes that take place in these people's lives. And you look at the testimonies of everyone on YouTube and man, you apply yourself to it. It gives you all the tools you need. You just have to go out there and apply yourself. I've been doing it since 2020. I'm excited to start growing my business even more and eventually make a signing service. But man, I've been blessed, to stumble across this family and just really see my life change for the better. Making my own schedule, making these connections here at the loan signing conference is just unreal. Like, it's just lighting a fire under me to keep pushing and grow my business as much as I can. And I have all these guys to thank for it. It's provided me and my family the means to just kind of pick and choose what we want to do. It gives you that freedom to not have to worry about the 9-to-5 job. And man, I'm just grateful for the whole thing. Can't wait to see what the future holds. And yeah, LSS Family Conference 2022, baby, let's go.